Hello, this is Michael Buccino with Constellation Home Builder Systems. Today I want to look into some client-server printing solutions for remote desktop servers. Constellation Home Builder software does not specify or endorse any particular vendor when it comes to third-party vendor printing solutions. Uh, but we'll take a look at some of the features of this one, which is UniPrint Infinity, and try to explain some of the features, advantages, and benefits of this product. So, the first thing is, why do you need a universal printer driver? This is something that Microsoft offers with its native EasyPrint software, but it is better flushed out in some of these specific purpose printer solutions. So what a universal printer driver does is it forgoes the need to install individual printer drivers for every single printer that a customer might have. So that makes the management of those printers very, very simple. In fact, with this particular product, there's only one print driver. It's the UniPrint print driver, and that takes care of printing tasks for all of the printers that a customer might have in their network. Um, so deploying this kind of solution is very easy. You don't have to install any additional print drivers, and one of the things that this particular product offering has is that it uses the PDF format to compress files so that they're very small, and that's a benefit that it has over Microsoft's EasyPrint option. The UniPrint Infinity print driver can shrink a print job down to as much as 90%. So once that file is shrunk down, then it can be much, much smaller going over the network, which means that it will take less time to download and print. So let's take a look at the product in action. In this case, I'm just going to print a purchase agreement, and we'll take a look at some of the options that we get. So when we print a purchase agreement, it'll come up in this particular product and give us some options. And the options that it gives us is we can go ahead and print, and we can choose the printer that we need. So in my case, I've only got one simple one here that I could choose. That's my default printer. I can print to that one if I want. I could also choose to do a quick print, and what a quick print is I just click the button, and then it doesn't even bring up this print dialog box. So here it gives me a choice of printers. If I want to do a quick print, then all I have to do is click on it, no dialog box, it will print automatically. Now it also has this other function, which is a save as function. Once I click the Save All button, then it asks me where I want to save the file, and let's just say that I want to save it to my desktop. It'll bring up a dialog box and ask me what file name I want to give the document, and then I can save it to the desktop and keep it as a file that I might want to email to a customer, for example. But in this particular product, it also has this functionality. Instead of saving it to my desktop and maybe attaching it to Outlook, I can simply just click on the email button here, and it'll automatically attach the document that I'm trying to send to the email for me. So that's a nice convenient feature. Convenience feature being that just with one click, you can take a document that you want to send to a customer, for example. In this case, a contract document. All you have to do is put in the customer's name and send it to them, and you're done. So the UniPrint driver, UniPrint Infinity software has several benefits. Native PDF format. Native PDF format means that you don't have to convert it with the PDF applications such as Adobe QPDF or others. And you can quickly email the attachment, And it also provides the key feature of not needing to install printer drivers for every printer in your network. So that's a quick overview of this product. Thank you.